Baghdada has heard that those from abroad are going to have a special Sneh Milan or a meeting. And the people of Bharat also have a meeting. And so in the meeting, don't just make plans for service. Make plans, but let there be a balance. Let there be balance.
लेकिन बैलेंस का बनाना ऐसा एक
Cooperate with one another in such a way that all of you become master almighty authorities and continue to fly ahead. Be a bestower and give cooperation. Don't look at the situation, but be cooperative.
दाता बनकर सहयोग दो
Be a bestower and give cooperation. Don't look at the situation, but be cooperative. Stay in your self-respect and become cooperative by giving regard. Because when you give any soul regard from your heart, it is a very big act of charity. You gave zeal and enthusiasm to a weak soul, and so that was such great charity.
क्योंकि कमजोर आत्मा को उत्साह में लाया तो कितना बड़ा पुण्य है
You gave zeal and enthusiasm to a weak soul, and so that was such a great charity. You mustn't knock down those who have already fallen, but embrace them. Not externally. To embrace them means to make them equal to the Father. Give them cooperation. You asked what you should do this year, have you not?
इस वर्ष पूछा है ना क्या क्या करना है सम्मान देना
Simply give regard and maintain your self-respect. Become powerful and make others powerful. Do not engage yourself in wasteful situations. Weak souls are weak anyway. And if you continue to look at their weaknesses, how would you become cooperative?
तो सहयोगी कैसे बनेंगे सहयोग दो
Give cooperation and you will receive blessings. When you are unable to do anything else, the easiest effort of all is to give blessings and receive blessings. Give regard and become praiseworthy. The easiest effort of all is to give blessings and receive blessings. Give regard and become praiseworthy.
सम्मान देने वाला ही सर्वद्वारा माननीय बनते
The one, to the extent that you become worthy of respect now, to that extent you will have a right to the kingdom and become a worthy of worship soul. Continue to give. Don't think of receiving. To give when you receive is the work of a businessman. You are children of the bestower. You are children of the bestower.
और तो ये तो
Just keep
बिजनेस में
giving. To give and to take is something of a businessman. You are the children of the bestower.
तुम्ही तो एक हमारे हो शिक्षक तुम्ही रक्षक तुम्ही दिल के तुम्ही सहारे हो मिला सारे रिश्तों का प्यार तुमसे
ओम शांति अव्यक्ति परिवार में
Shanti.
आपका स्वागत है
Welcome to
आज
Avyakti
दिन
Parivar.
27
Today is day
संतुष्ट
27.
भरिवन सदा
Be a
संतुष्ट
jewel of
रहो
contentment.
और
Always
सबको
remain content
संतुष्ट करो
and make everyone
आज का
content.
विषय है दादा के
Today's
बच्चे
topic is
दाता
bestowers,
अव्यक्ति
children
शक्ति
of the bestowers. The Avyak signal is
फरिश्ता बनना
to be
अर्थात
an angel means
संतुष्ट
to remain
रहना
content
और
and make
संतुष्ट
others
करना
content.
कुछ भी
No
चाहे
matter what happens,
कोई
even if
इंसल्ट
someone
कर दे
insults you,
कोई
if
नीचे
someone
ऊपर
tries
करने
to
की
make you fluctuate,
कोशिश करे
remain
सब में
content in
संतुष्ट
everything.
रहे दादा के
You are
बच्चे दाता हो
bestowers, children
तो
of the
किसी भी
bestower,
हालत में
and so you
असंतुष्ट
cannot be
नहीं
discontent in any situation.
अभी हम मोहिनी दीदी से
Now we'll listen
सुनेंगे
from Moini Didi.
ओम शांति
Om Shanti.
जब संतुष्ट हैं
When
तो
you are
प्रसन्नचित
content,
हैं
then
और
you
जब
are
प्रसन्न हैं
cheerful.
तो चमक
And when
के
you are
चेहरे हैं।
cheerful, then your face is sparkling.
तो बाबा कहते हैं कि सभी बच्चों का चेहरा
So Baba is saying,
सदा खिला रहना चाहिए
all the face of every child should always be blossoming.
वाणी से बोलने से पहले
Even before you speak,
चेहरा देखते हैं
they see your
और
face.
चेहरे में भी खासकर
And even on the
नेत्र
face, especially, they look
और
at your
नेत्र बहुत
eyes,
कुछ बोलते भी हैं
and the
कि
eyes
जितना
speak a
जितना
lot.
संतुष्ट होंगे
To the
और अगर
extent
कोई
that we
ऐसे
are
होते हैं
content,
जो आपसे
and there are
संतुष्ट नहीं
some
हैं
who might not
पर
be
तो भी
content
आप
with you,
उनसे आप असंतुष्ट नहीं हो
but still you
तो धीरे
shouldn't
धीरे
become
उनकी
discontent
असंतुष्टता
with
भी
them.
दूर हो
And
जाएगी
slowly and eventually their
तो इसलिए
discontentment will also
बाबा कह रहे हैं कि
finish.
संतुष्टता
That's
के
why
लिए
Baba is saying,
कई प्रकार
for
के
being
गुण
content,
चाहिए
we need
किस
different
प्रकार की
varieties of
वृत्ति
virtues,
चाहिए कैसी
with
दृष्टि
what
चाहिए
type of our
तो
attitude,
आज
a
बाबा
different
कह
kind
रहे
of
हैं कि
vision, drishti. So today
आप सभी
Baba
का
is
विशेष
saying
गुण है दातापन
that the special
सभी को
virtue of
यही
us is to
आश्चर्य
be a
होता है
bestower. This
कि
is what
क्यों
everybody
देते
is
हो आप
surprised. Like, why do you give?
टोली देते हो
You give
ब्लेसिंग
toli,
कार्ड
you
देते
give
हो
blessing card,
या जब भी कभी भी
or whenever,
कहीं भी
wherever,
किसी भी सेवा
whenever.
केंद्र पर जाएं
If you go to any Baba center,
तो दातापन का
you will have
संस्कार
the
दिखाई पड़ता
experience.
है
You'll have the experience of a bestower.
लेकिन
The
अभी तो
sanskars
बाबा
of
दाता
bestower is
फिर
experienced.
एक संयोग है
So one is cooperation.
किसी में हिम्मत नहीं है,
So if
आप
someone
हिम्मत
doesn't have
वान
that
बने,
courage,
कुछ शब्द ऐसे बोलो,
so you say words in
मन
such a
सा
way
सेवा
that
करो.
from our
तो
mind
हर
also
प्रकार के
serve, that it
गुणों की
builds their
और
courage.
शक्तियों की
So in all
सहयोग
aspects, how can
बहुत
we
जरूरी
give
है.
cooperation of
कोई कितना
virtues?
भी निराश
That
है,
is very
उदास
important,
है,
no matter to what extent they
पर
might be
आप सभी
disheartened and sad.
आप दाता बनकर
So you
उसके
become a
अंदर
bestower
गुस्सा लाओ.
and fill
इसलिए
zeal and
बाबा कह रहे हैं,
enthusiasm in them.
किसके
That's why
बच्चे
Baba
हो.
is saying, whose children are you?
अगर ये याद रहता है
If
हम
you
किसके
remember
बच्चे
this,
हैं,
that
तो
whose child
वो
we are,
संस्कार इमर्ज होते
so in that
हैं.
sanskars will emerge.
वारिस है ना बाबा के,
We are
तो जो
heir
बाप
souls,
के
isn't it,
संस्कार
of
वो बच्चों
Baba?
के
So
संस्कार.
whatever is
तो
Baba's
बाप का
sanskar is
सबसे
our sanskar.
मुख्य संस्कार है
So what is the
दातापन.
main sanskar of the father?
जो
This
कुछ हम लोगों
bestower.
ने सीखा है,
Whatever we have
तो ब्रह्मा बाबा
learned,
ने पहले
that Brahma Baba
यज्ञ
in
में
the
शुरू
initial
किया है.
days, Brahma Baba started that
तो
in
हम
the
लोग बाबा
initial
से
time in
पूछते
the
थे, आज तो
yajna,
हम
and we still
200
ask
हैं,
Baba.
300 हैं,
So today we are
टोली भी
200,
मिलती है, गिफ्ट
300, we would
मिलती है.
get toli, we get
तो क्या
gift
ये
also.
रहेगा? बाबा ने
So will
कहा,
this continue?
अभी
Baba
आपको
said.
पता है कि बाबा से मिलने के लिए हर बार
And you know that every
15,000
time
लोग होते हैं,
we have Baba
20,000
season, at
होते हैं,
least 15,000, sometimes
सबको टोली
20,000.
ब्लेसिंग.
So everybody gets toli,
हर
everybody gets
प्रकार का
blessing,
प्रबंध, हर प्रकार
all
की
kinds of
व्यवस्था
arrangement, all kinds of
बाबा बच्चों के लिए करते हैं.
resources. Baba does it
तो
for the
ये
for
जो
the
बड़ा दिल
children.
है, बेहद
This is
की
the big
बुद्धि है,
heart. It is the
इसकी हमें
unlimited
बाबा से ही
intellect,
वर्षे में मिली है.
and we have received this
बाबा
through
का
Baba.
वर्षा, बाबा के संस्कार ब्रह्मा बाबा
Baba's
के द्वारा पता लगते हैं.
inheritance is Baba's
और ब्रह्मा
sanskars,
बाबा
which
ने
we
ही
was
फिर ये
visible through
सारी
Brahma Baba. And
कैसे
it was
सुविधा
Brahma
हो,
Baba
क्या व्यवस्था हो.
created this, what kind of
जब हम
facility
शुरू में
should be
मधुबन
there.
में गए तो कुछ नहीं
Initially,
था,
when we went to
लकड़ी
Madhuban, there
का
was
चूल्हा
hardly
जलता
anything. There used to be
जलाते थे.
a fireplace
रहने के
using
लिए भी
firewood.
बहुत कम
And
स्थान
even
था.
to stay, there was very
अब तो
less
देखो कितना
space.
हो
And
गया.
today, look how
तो
many places are there
वृद्धि
for us to
होती है
stay.
ना दाता
So
पन
there
से.
is
तो बाबा कहते हैं
growth,
दाता के
definitely.
बच्चे
So we are the children
दाता.
of the bestower.
फरिश्ता बनना
Bestowers, children of the bestower. To be an angel
अर्थात संतुष्ट रहना.
means to remain content and make others.
तो यही बनना है ना, ब्राह्मण सो
So what do
फरिश्ता.
we have to do? What do we have to become?
संतुष्ट
Brahman, so
अर्थात
angel.
फरिश्ता बनना
To be an
अर्थात
angel means to
संतुष्ट
remain
रहना
content and make
और संतुष्ट
others
करना.
content.
कुछ भी हो जाए,
No
कुछ भी
matter what
जाए.
happens,
हाँ,
no
कभी कोई
matter what
चीज
we
ऐसी होती
lose,
है,
sometimes
चली
it's
जाती
such
है
that
या
we
टूट
lose,
जाती है.
either breaks.
तो अगर ममता है तो ख्याल
So if
चलता
we
है.
have
पर
attachment,
बाबा
then
कहते
our
नहीं,
thoughts will go. So
कुछ
Baba says,
भी
no,
जाए,
no matter what
कुछ
happens,
कोई
even
कोई
if
इंसल्ट
someone
भी कर दे,
insults you, if someone tries to make you fluctuate,
कोई नीचे ऊपर करने की कोशिश करे, परंतु सब में
remain
संतुष्ट
content
रहो.
in everything.
कोई बात नहीं है, बड़ी बात नहीं है ये तो. तो बाबा
It's
कहती
okay,
हैं,
it's not a big thing. So Baba is telling,
कोशिश करो कि सब में
you are
संतुष्ट रहो,
bestowers.
क्योंकि दाता
Remain
के
content in
बच्चे
everything.
दाता हो.
You are bestowers, children of the
तो
bestower.
किसी भी बात
And
में
so you cannot be
संतुष्ट
discontent in
नहीं हो
any
सकते.
situation.
तो आप
Cannot
में
be
से कौन-कौन
discontent in any
समझते हैं
situation.
कि हम
So
सदा
how many of
संतुष्ट
you
रहते हैं?
feel that we are
हाथ
always
खड़ा करो.
content? Raise your hands,
सदा
those of you
संतुष्ट
who
लोग.
feel that you're
कोई भी नहीं.
always content. No
अच्छा,
one?
क्यों?
Why? Why aren't you
असंतुष्टि
always?
किस बात की हो जाती है?
What is the reason for discontentment?
तो बाबा तो कहता है यहाँ पर, और ही खुद तो रहना ही है संतुष्ट,
We should definitely stay
परंतु दाता
content,
भी बनना है.
but we should also be a bestower.
संतुष्टता संपन्नता की निशानी है. और
Contentment is
संपन्नता
a sign
एक
of
भाग्य से होती है, एक
abundance,
स्वभाव से होती है.
and one is through our nature,
भाग्य से भी
another one
होती है,
is through our
और
fortune.
स्वभाव में भी कोई संतुष्ट रहते हैं.
Some of their nature
और
is
संतुष्टता में
content,
संपन्नता बहुत बढ़ेगी.
and where there is
जितना
contentment,
संतुष्ट
there is
रहेंगे उतना
abundance.
प्रकृति और
To
सभी
the extent that you're
साथी, सभी
content, even the elements become
संतुष्ट रहेंगे.
cooperative, and all the other
इसलिए
cooperative
नया
things
साल
become
शुरू हो रहा
content.
है.
So a new year is
सभी
about to
अपने मन में
begin.
ये दृढ़ संकल्प
So
करें
everyone have a
कि मुझे
determined thought in the
संतुष्ट
mind
रहना है,
that I need to stay
संतुष्टता की
content.
सीट पर बैठकर
Stay on the
साक्षी
seat of
होकर के ड्रामा
contentment
को देखो,
and
तो
become
ड्रामा में क्या
detached
कल्याण है,
observer and observe the
क्या
drama.
प्राप्ति है,
What
वो
is
सब
the
कुछ
benefit in the drama? What is the attainment in the drama?
शांति।
You'll get to see all of that. Om Shanti.
अव्यक्त मुरली रिविजन
Avyakt Murli revision from
1969
1969 onwards.
ज्ञान
Jewels
के
of
रत्न
knowledge and pearls
और
of
स्नेह
love.
के मोती। अव्यक्तवाणी तारीख है 18 जनवरी 1975।
Avyakt Murli, 18 January
परिवर्तन
1975.
की प्रतिज्ञा।
Promise for transformation.
मधुबन
How
की
do
क्या
you
महिमा
praise
कहते
Madhuban?
हो?
You
कहते
call
हो
it the land of
यह
transformation.
परिवर्तन भूमि है।
All of you have come to the
आप
land of
सभी
transformation
परिवर्तन भूमि
and the
या
land of
वरदान
blessings.
भूमि में आए हुए हो।
Do you experience blessing in
स्वयं
yourself
में व अन्य
and in
में
others?
वरदान का अनुभव करते
To
हो।
come here means to receive blessings and to
यहाँ
bring
आना
about
अर्थ है
transformation.
वरदान पाना।
What do you have to
परिवर्तन
transform
करना।
now? Before you
अब
leave
क्या
here, you
परिवर्तन
have to
करें?
transform whatever weaknesses and particular
जो
sanskars
विशेष कमजोरी
that
या
from
विशेष
time to
संस्कार
time
समय प्रति
become
समय
obstacles.
विघ्न रूप बनता
Only
है।
then would it be said that you brought
ऐसा
about
संस्कार
transformation.
व ऐसी
You
कमजोरी
arrive here with
यहाँ
special zeal,
परिवर्तन करके
enthusiasm,
जाएं।
and deep love.
तभी
And so let
कहेंगे
the
कि
fire
स्वयं
of
में
your love
परिवर्तन
become
लाए।
so intense here in Madhuban
विशेष उमंग
that all
उत्साह
waste
और लगन
thoughts,
से
weaknesses, and all
यहाँ
your
तक
old
पहुँचते
remaining
हो
sanskars
तो
are
यहाँ
completely
मधुबन में अपनी
burned
लगन
in
को
this fire.
ऐसी अग्नि का रूप बनाओ कि जिस अग्नि में सर्व व्यर्थ संकल्प, सर्व कमजोरियां व सब रहे हुए पुराने संस्कार भस्म हो जाए।
Madhuban is called the great sacrificial fire, Mahayagya, of the knowledge of Rudra, in which the horse is sacrificed. What does one do in a sacrificial fire? There is the sacrifice of everything. When you children wake up at Amrit Vela every day, you create a sacrificial fire of love, in which you sacrifice your weaknesses. However, this is the great yajna. To come to Madhuban means to come to the great yajna. Why is Madhuban called the great yajna? Because here there is the fire of the love of many souls at the same time, and so you should take benefit from it. Just as you sometimes make a promise to yourself, and you also have a thought in the same way.
लाभ उठाना चाहिए ना। जैसे कई बार स्वतः प्रतिज्ञा करते हो, संकल्प लेते हो, वैसे ही मधुबन में आप भी ऐसी प्रतिज्ञा करते हो, संकल्प लेते हो। क्या समझते हो? क्या ऐसी आहुति डालते हो जो आगे के लिए समाप्त हो जाए?
Do you make a promise to yourself in Madhuban? What do you think? Do you put such sacrificial offerings into the fire that they finish completely for the future? You should put the greatest sacrificial offering and not ordinary offerings into the great yajna. Have you sacrificed the offerings into the fire of love of many souls altogether? As you're returning from here, have you put in the sacrificial offerings, or are you taking them back with you? Or are you wondering which sesame seeds and which grains to offer? Do you check every time you come to the great yajna whether you have put any offerings in or not? The rest of the Murli will be shared tomorrow. Om Shanti.